Precalculus Fall 2019 ACP Preview, problem 29, was the fourth term in the expansion of quantity 3x minus 2y to the 8th power. And we have these different answer choices. This is what's called a binomial expansion, and for this it's helpful to know something we call NCR, which is N choose R. And what we have is N is equal to the power of expansion, which in this case is 8. And we want to find the fourth term. Well, we can probably eliminate maybe a couple of these answers. We know that our first term is going to be x to the 8th power, something x to the 8th power. The second term is going to be something x to the 7th power y. The third term is going to be something x to the 6th power y squared. And the fourth term, which is what we're looking at here, is going to be something x to the 5th power y to the 3rd power. So already we know that B and C are not correct answers. And to do the NCR, we're going to, the way we number these terms, R is equal to the number of term minus 1. So R is going to be equal to 0, to 1, to 2, and 3. So R is equal to 3. And 3, it happens to be the power of y. Hope you can see that. So if we say 8 choose 3, we're going to get this number right here. And then we just have to go ahead and replace this y with this negative 2y. So let's go do that in the calculator. NCR, we're going to put 8. And to go to NCR, we go to Math, to the right problem, and we go to 3, NCR. And we're going to choose 3. 8 choose 3, we get 56. So 8 choose 3 is equal to 56. We could also use our binomial theorem equation, which should be on our ACP formula chart. You have permutations. That'll be combinations here. Yeah, that's NCR right there. So n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Oh, we'll do that a little later, but we got 56 already. So we're going to have, our answer is going to be 56, and we have 3x to the 5th power times negative 2y to the 3rd power. And what that's going to be is 56 times 3 to the 5th power times negative 2 to the 3rd power, x to the 5th, y to the 3rd power. Now, negative 2 to the 3rd power is going to be what? Negative 8. So that means we are going to have a negative answer. So probably A is looking pretty good. But let's put that in the calculator. 56 times 3 to the 5th power times negative 2 to the 3rd power, we get negative 108,864. And so that's going to be answer choice A. Again, the binomial theorem, which is going to be n factorial over r factorial times quantity n minus r factorial. And we can do that this way. That's going to be 8 factorial over r is 3 factorial times n minus r is 5 factorial. So in our calculator, we can find it here. Okay, let's see. We have n factorial, which is 8. And for that, we go to math. Problem 4 over 3 factorial times 5 factorial and we get 56, binomial theorem equation. So that's it. I invite the viewer to go ahead and look at problems 29A and 29B for more practice. Good luck, and thanks for viewing.